Hi, this is Moshmi, and currently I'm speaking from Bangalore. The reason why I'm here is I don't know why I'm making this video, but the reason why I'm here is just to share that I just left my toxic job, a toxic corporate job. Yeah, I could not have taken it any longer. And the catch here is I do not have any other offer in my hand currently. So that part is scary. It's not like I'm okay with it. Obviously I'm gonna find something else, but currently I am so relieved. And yeah, all this while I was so mentally disturbed with whatever was happening. The management was so bad, was so micromanaging, like made our life hell. Initially I thought I was the only one being attacked, but later I knew that everyone is going through the same. Other than the actual work, every other things were taken care of, and instead of we focusing on our work, we were all the time focused, okay fine, ab kya galti kar di, ye kaise karna hai, wo kaise karna hai. So every time that I would get an anxiety attack and panic attack, like, so that was my mental situation. And at the same time there was a lot going on in my family. My parents were not well, and hospitalization were like very frequent. It was just like our second home. Yeah, so there was a lot going on. And imagine like there was no one to talk to about. Obviously I had friends and my support systems, but at the end of the day वहाँ कोई present नहीं था. यहाँ जब I was dealing with all of this thing, and I was feeling so lonely and so depressed that I decided, no, this is for my best to leave this job, because I know it's scary to have not anything in your hand. And because we also do not come from very wealthy and khandani paisa wala family, so obviously that is there. But at some point you need to draw a line for your mental and emotional health, and that is just what I did. So yeah, I am just here to share this. All this while, all the 3 months I was on my notice period, all I could think was like, oh my god, I'm so relieved, I'm get out of this company. And yeah, just I do not have to do the same task, do not have to hear the same person. बहुत ज़्यादती की भाई, मेरे साथ बहुत ज़्यादती. And now I am smiling, but I cannot think like what I was going through all this while, like handling at home, handling there. All I wanted was a little support. It was not like I was not performing my duties well. अगर मैं खुशी नहीं हूँ at the end of the day, दिन के तुम 8 घंटे दे रहे हो, 8 से भी ज़्यादा घंटे दे रहे हो, 12 घंटे दे रहे हो, क्योंकि work from home. So obviously the things happening here is going to impact the rest of your hours, भले ही तुम काम नहीं कर रहे हो तब. So it was getting on my nerves, and I was like, no, this is not how I imagined my life. Obviously, like all of this while, like I would talk on a separate video कि मुझे साइंस नहीं करना था, मुझे कॉर्पोरेट जॉब नहीं करना था, मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें अलग से करनी थी, but definitely ये नहीं करना था. But obviously one things led to another, and now I'm here. I have few ideas on my mind कि क्या करना है, but I don't know. So for those ideas to come into execution and me earning from them, it's gonna take some time. So for now I do not know what to do. Yeah, I do not know what to do. Obviously I'll keep on trying and find some job, but this video is wholly and solely for all the people who is suffering the same, who is going through the same, a toxic corporate culture, a toxic job, a toxic manager, or whatever. Please know that you can get out of it. Whoever is watching this video, I hope you get along with me in this journey. I will update you about my history of how I ended up here and what's going on currently, and what will be the next step. So obviously till then, all the positive vibes to everyone, and stay happy and stay safe. Bye.